Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to go to a rainforest. I'm a little late, so let's run. Oh wait. This is the ride today we are going in. Let's go. Good morning everyone again. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry I didn't give a proper good morning to you when I started the vlog. So what happened was I was a little late. I planned on coming here to Navagamur to meet my friend at 7 a.m. and when I was waking up it was like 6:10. So I am here now. Time is 8 o'clock and as I expected my friend is still at home. So he said that he will need another 10 minutes. So let's wait here till he comes. So if you need to come here, you have to come through Hatton Road, Avisavilla to Hatton Road, and I'll pin the location where you have to turn right to Thanayam Road. And my friend has gone. I didn't take a video because he didn't come for another 20 minutes and we were late. So we just came without getting a video. So we parked our bikes here and that one person told us that we have to take the boat and go to the other side of the river. Let's go and check out. It's another activity and an experience. So today we are with Chanaka and he's the one who got late. Great job. Hi. Dangge වතුර පාර වැඩි වෙන්නේ නැද්ද මම? වැඩි වෙනවා. පස්සත් එක්ක. අද වැඩිද ටිකක්? ටිකක් වැඩි. පොඩ හැඩ පාර වැඩි නේද? මේ හරියනම් නාන්න එහෙම පුළුවන් නේද නේ? ගැඹුරු නැද? හරි ගැඹුරයි. ඇල්ලෙන් එහා පැත්තට. ඔයද යන්නේ? මාකන්දාව කැලේට පොඩ්ඩක් ගිහිල්ලා. රියැලිටි එක එහෙම වැඩේද දන්නේ? වතුර තියෙන්නේ. So we just entered the Makandawa forest. We have to take a ticket and it is 27 rupees per person. The person at the ticket counter was super friendly and he said that there are two waterfalls to be seen. So let's go and check out the waterfall. Another thing that he said was that it is very hard for us to cross the rivers, I mean the streams, if it rains. So fingers crossed. Oops. So fingers crossed that it won't rain. So I will not be talking too much in the forest. Just enjoy the sounds and the beauty of the forest, just as I and my friend did today. So we came along the way, the footpath, and it leads to there. But we are going to follow a stream because Chanaka requested it. So now we are going to follow this stream. So this is the third stream that we came across, and we are going to go across it. And I think these are the streams that the person at the ticket gates told us about, getting the water levels high when it rains. But however, look at the beauty of this place. I mean, to have such a wonderful, lots of streams here, I think I'm lucky. So we had our first bath here and had lunch also. We were so tired and we didn't have time to vlog. So let's go in together to the water. It is a bit deep, but look at the view. I mean, wow. Let's go. We had our bath, we had our lunch, but we didn't change our clothes because we are planning to have a bath in the below position of a stream. So let's go and have a bath again. So guys, we came to the bottom and look,
this is the place we are going to have a bath in. Just after the bath, we are going to head home. If something comes up, I'll take a video. Other than that, that's it for today. So if you like the video, if you think you shared the same experience with me, click the like button. And if you want to share the video with someone else to share the experience, share my video and also click the subscribe button. So let's have a bath.